Scary things happen every day, but what would you do if those scary things were caught on a GoPro so you could look back at that memory for years to come in high definition, of course? Well, that's what we're going to be talking about today. Hey YouTube, I'm Court McGinley and welcome back to the most amazing top 5. Before we get started, I want to know, what's the scariest thing that's ever happened to you? Let me know your answer down in the comments. Also, I just want to remind all of you guys to please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and show us some love by giving this video a big thumbs up. Alright, without further ado, let's get started on our list of the top 5 scariest things caught on a GoPro. Starting off at number 5, look out below. Here we have a man who is ziplining with a buddy. The two are sitting on separate boards and scaling the ropes as they have GoPros attached to their helmets. As you can see, they are wearing the proper gear with the gloves, helmet, and harnesses. We see the zipliners are going really fast and the chain is smoking. That on its own is terrifying enough. The zipliner then comes across a knot in the line that would be too difficult to move past, so he decides to let go of the rope. Now, not to worry, he does have a parachute on his back, but nonetheless, this is terrifying. Take a look. Train surfing. Yes, train surfing is an actual thing that crazy people do. It's apparently trendy. Basically, the point of this is to hang off of the side of a train while it travels at high speeds. Like I said, crazy. This video was filmed by Sky Joker. In the video, he's hopping on the back of stopped trains and then hops onto other trains once the one he was on has stopped. Clearly, this isn't safe. I mean, yes, there's living life on the edge, but that's supposed to be a figure of speech. People aren't supposed to take that literally. Here's a glimpse at the view from standing on the outside of a speeding train. Into the woods. This video was uploaded by a YouTuber named Mr. Gregor and it has over 9 million views. In this video, a man is biking through the woods and a GoPro is strapped to his helmet. Everything's going good, he's catching some nice footage. Then all of a sudden, he looks to his right and there's a bear coming right for him. He speeds up and through the shots you can see him looking back and the bear is still chasing him. The biker then comes across a branch in the middle of his path. So he ditches his bike, runs into the woods and hides behind a tree. We then see the bear look for him, but then it sounds like a gunshot goes off and the bear runs away. Now, some people have said that this video looks fake, but I think it looks pretty real. Check it out. Coming in at number 2, watch the road. Here we have 3 men riding their motorcycles. The third man's name is David Park, and he is wearing a GoPro on his helmet. I can only assume this is to catch some amazing shots of scenery, but he ends up catching something horrifying. As the 3 friends come up to a turn in the road up against a hill, one of the bikers named Willie veers onto the wrong side of the road, and before he can correct this, a car is coming right at him. Instead of colliding with the car, he makes a sharp turn to the left and actually goes over the guardrail with his bike and he launches over the edge. He slams into the top of a tree and drops. Check it out.
It happens in a heartbeat. Keep your eyes on this motorcyclist who goes full speed over a cliff. In slow motion, you can see he actually slams into the top of a tree.
One of the friends calls 911 as David goes down to look for Willie. He makes his way down the cliff, pushing through heavy underbush until he finds his friend. Shockingly enough, Willie was alive. He was conscious yet in shock. He made sure to remain still until rescuers arrived. Willie was airlifted off the cliff and only suffered from a broken left shoulder. That is terrifying, yet he's so lucky to be alive. Coming in at number 1, shark bait.
Shark bait! Ooh-ha-ha! Welcome, brother Shark bait! Shark bait! Ooh-ha-ha!
This video was uploaded by Davey8128, and as terrifying as it is, it's also pretty cool. In this video, we get to see a shark in its natural habitat. This video basically shows you what it looks like to be chased and eaten by a shark. Fishermen attached a GoPro and trail bait to their vessel. We then see a mako shark swim up and snap up several of the bait fish. If you're scared of sharks, you might want to close your eyes for this part. Yeah, that's absolutely terrifying. You get an up close and personal look at those teeth. Yeah, that's a bit too much. Well, on that note, that's our list of the top 5 scariest things caught on a GoPro. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.